Hello everybody, welcome to this platform. This is Sichamba Jacob, and I guess you are doing very fine wherever you're watching the video from. I've got these 4 questions right here I'd like to discuss with you on how to solve them one by one. So let's start with the first question. So for the first question, which is question 1, they're saying we evaluate 64 over 125, and we've got the negative power here, power -1 over 3. So to work out something like this, what must be coming in your mind is to check the power. How does it look? How does an exponent that we have looks like? We've got a negative sign right over here. So since it's negative, we're going to reciprocate what is inside. So this is how it will look like. What is down goes on top, and what is on top comes down. The moment you do that, you bring the positive power. So you can see what has happened. So the negative will always help you switch what is inside. Like that, okay? So when you switch, you now come and write the cube root, okay? Fraction power simply means you're finding the root. Now, what type of a root, or how are you supposed to know the kind of the root that you're dealing with? The number which is down here. So we are finding the cube root because of these 3 over what is inside the brackets. So when we talk about cube root, we are talking about a number that should be multiplied by itself 3 times. It gives us what? 125. That's a 5. What about the number which can multiply by itself 3 times? It gives us a 64. That is a 4. We can write our answer as 1 remainder 1 over, this is how it's supposed to be, because 4 into 5, it's 1, remainder a 1. This is how this question must be answered. Okay, let's check out question 2 and see what we're supposed to do on question number 2. Please share the video and like. You also leave the comment in the comment section. All right, so for question number 2, which is 8 power x minus 1 is equal to 16. So what we need to do on this question is to balance the bases. And what I mean by saying balance the bases is, let's say you've got a power m is equal to a power n. You see, the bases are the same. We can therefore say this power is equal to the other power. You can equate the powers, provided you know that the bases are equal to each other. Now, when we check at the question that we have right here, we've got 8 and 16. The bases are different, so we have to balance the bases. So balancing these bases, we shall say a 2 power 3. So when we say 2 power 3, this will give us 8, because 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times, it will give us what? 8. We've not distorted the way it's supposed to be. And then here, we bring this power right here. It's here. The 3 is straight with the power. Is equal to, here we shall write this as 2 power 4. Of course, we know that when we say 2 power 4, we'll get a 16. So now the bases are equal to each other. We can say 3, okay, x minus 1 is equal to a 4. Bases are equal to each other. You equate the powers. So this is a 3x minus 3 is equal to a 4. Get rid of the brackets. 3x is equal to a 4 plus a 3. 3x will be equal to a 7. Divide by 3 by a 3. This and this will go. X will simply be equal to a 2 remainder 1 over a 3. So this is the solution for question number 2. Let's jump on question number 3. Please, people, don't forget to share the video. Share the video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe if you've not yet done so, follow me on my Facebook page and TikTok. So let's do question 3 and see what we're supposed to do on question number 3. All right, so for question number 3, right here, they're asking us to solve. We've got x power 2 over a 3 is equal to a 9. So now, solving this equation, we shall say x power 2 over 3. So look nicely at the power that we have here. Just switch it like this. Say times this power, now we switch. You see the way it is? I've just gotten this and then switch it. You say equal to a 9. So this new power must be put right here so that we don't distort the equation. I've just gotten this, switch, put it here and here. And if you're able to see, the 2 and the 2 cancel, 3 and the 3 will cancel, we shall remain with x is equal to 9 power 3 over a 2. Okay. And we know, of course, that fraction powers, they mean roots. Okay. So this will be x is equal to the square root of 9. This number 2. There is a 2 here. We don't show it. So that simply means we're dealing with the square root over a 9. And where are we taking this 3? It will be right over here. So x will be equal to 3 power 3. Okay? What is the square root of 9? It's a 3. There is this power 3. You write it here, which will give us a 27. So the answer for question number 3 is equal to a 27. Let's go to question number 4 and see what we're supposed to do on question number 4. So for question number 4, we need to evaluate. This is question 4. We've got 5 power 2 times 1 over 5. So this will be a 5 power 2 over a 5. Just multiply this times the numerator here. It will give us that. The laws of indices, there is a power 1 here. When the bases are equal to each other, you subtract the powers. And this will give us a 5. So these are the solutions for these 4 questions. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Sichamba Jacob. If you want online tuitions, we offer online tuitions. The number you can get in touch with us on is this one, WhatsApp or call. We'll be able to guide on how you can join our online classes. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.